Friends, TCS have sent an infrastructure readiness check mail to all TCS NQT registered students of 2021 batch. In this video, we will see the details about that mail, what to be done, and what if students could not do their IRC check. What will happen? So we will discuss the details. So the mail says they have forwarded a link and credentials. So they said, please find below the link and credentials to take infrastructure readiness check IRC for TCS NQT. And as a part of this, students are also asked to take a mock test. So I will tell you by the end of this video what will happen if you take the mock test and if you do not take the mock test. So they have sent an exam link also. You can find an exam link here, and this exam link, by clicking on this exam link, it will ask you the login to login, and the login credentials are given here, username and password. So username, which is preferably NQT code, and a password in digits is given to you. You have to use these credentials, not the before TCS NQT or not TCS campus commune credentials. You have to use these credentials to log in to this mock test. And it is said by TCS that it is mandatory for all registered students that they take this verification IRC test online exam. And if students are not able to complete this check, for any reason, the only thing that could happen is they have to take a test in nearby TCS Ion Center allocated by TCS itself. Okay, so you need not worry if you want to write the test from your home, then you have to successfully finish this step. I will explain you what are the steps involved in making this successful. But if you could not take this test for any reason, if maybe you did not see the mail on time, maybe your exam time is over by the time you checked the mail, anything may be the reason, if you could not take this mock test from your home, then don't worry. You can take test from nearby TCS Ion Center that will be allocated by TCS in later mails, only in case if you fail. And please remember, actual exam question paper pattern will be different. So mock test is to just check whether your infrastructure is sufficient to take test from your home or not. It is just that check. What do you mean by infrastructure? Means your system compatibility, whether your system is compatible to hover the test for the time, 3 hours time or not. Then for your internet bandwidth, will your internet bandwidth support your test or not? So to know these details, you are asked to take this test. And for every student, different time slots are given. Registration time is given, examination date is given, and exam start time is given. Of course, it started from today in different slots. So this is about these details, and then I will tell you what are the system specific requirements, what TCS is talking about. So here we have to understand that it is webcam enabled test, and a microphone should also be in a working, so you can use your mobile phone headphones in a good working condition. And if you are doing it in laptop, then you need not worry. But if you want to do it on your PC, then you have to install a webcam to it. And launcher for a respective operating system. Friends, in this mail itself, they are attaching a RAR file which has a small thing which you have to download, small software which you have to download. And please remember, depending on the OS what you are using, that is different. So you have to take care of it. And that should be downloaded before the mock test is taken. And the launcher download details are given. As I told you, attachment is there. But briefly, they have given recommended browser is Chrome or browser, Chrome and Zoom browser. Okay, and that should be set to 100% visibility. Please don't zoom out or zoom in. just keep it 100%. And minimum bandwidth they are mentioning, see, it is 5 mbps, and at least 100 MB of free disk space should be maintained. Of course, many PCs have and laptops have this, that should not be a problem, because there is a downloadable file of 45 MB. So this should be taken care. That is a rare file. And the download, to download, of course, you have to open your mail, and just you can click on the link received, or you can just copy that link what I shown you just now, and you can just paste it in the browser, and you can start the assessment. As I told you, when you go to that link, it will ask you to log in using the credentials which I showed you just now in this video. And then the timer will be displayed. This is important. The timer will be displayed on your screen, and you can copy the token to be pasted. A token will be displayed which you have to copy, and then the download the launcher. As I told you, you will have to download a launcher applicable to your OS. Means different options will be shown to you, depending on your OS what you are using. You have to download that particular software. If you are using Windows, then Windows you have to download, and if you are using Ubuntu or any other softwares OS, then accordingly you have to download uh, the files. And then, as I told you, it will be a rar file. Then you have to unzip it, I mean extract files, extract the downloaded file, yes, and then open the launcher, and you have to enter the unique token key which is displayed, which you have copied just now. I told you, you have copied it, and then select the browser and click launch to start the assessment. So on pasting the token, then you can launch the assessment. This is a mock assessment, and click run anyway if prompted. And please ensure that all the programs are closed before you start this. Please, you should not open any other tab or any other program running on your computer. Ensure that they are all are closed, and if possible, please allow all the pop-ups whichever you see during this mock test. And anyway, when you click on run anyway, this will force all the other programs that are running to be shut down. And the unique key, token key generated will be valid for 10 minutes, and in less than 10 minutes you have to enter that token. Only on successfully entering that token, you will be taking that, it will be possible for you to take the test. And yeah, as I told you, this is it, and the purpose of this is that to check whether your infrastructure supports the test for 3 hours or not. When I said infrastructure, I am again repeating your system compatibility and your internet bandwidth. But if you could not take this test also, please do not worry. You will be getting a mail again. If you fail to take this test, you will be getting a hall ticket admit card to take your test in nearby TCS Ion Center. So that should not be a problem to you. But sometimes, if number of candidates from a city are more, then they will be given city, maybe next priority city. But however, this mail, only applicants who opted for online mode of exam will only receive this mail. If someone have given offline as their mode of test, then you will not receive this mail. So you need not panic, because if you have chosen off campus or offline mode, then TCS Ion centers will have all the settings and all the available things. So that's it about this mail. Wish you all the best. I hope this will serve the purpose clearing the doubts of all the applicants. Thank you.